Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how I created this eye look. Everybody that follows me on Instagram probably see my story about how I tried to create this purple eye look, and the eyeshadow just had such a big fallout that my whole face was purple. But anyway, so I didn't want it to just leave it like it is. I wanted to give it a second chance, so I recreated that purple look, or I created a purple look with my Jaclyn Hill, the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. So I think this turned out awesome. I love the colors. I love what it looks like. The colors are super intense. Like the purple is super intense. It's pretty colorful for me that normally likes brown, cream, like natural colors. But because it works so good together with my eye color, with the brown, it's just perfect. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. So I already applied my foundation and I filled my eyebrows in. So everybody that already has seen one of my videos probably knows what my next step's going to be. I'm going to take my Maybelline New York Master Conceal concealer. This is shade 20 Light. I'm going to apply some on the back of my hand and then go with my Morphe M421 brush around the shape of my eyebrow. Oops, there's a hair. And then I'll just bring it down a little bit as a primer for my eyelid. Then I just dab it in with my finger. So next I'm going to use that shade in Light from my Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to pick it up with my Zoeva 232 Luxe Classic Shader and set the concealer under my brow bone with it, and then bring it down to my movable lid. It's pretty shimmery. I didn't expect this to be so shimmery, but it will be okay. My next step is going to be to pick up some of this color here. This is called Silk Cream. I use this as my first transition shade, and I'm going to pick it up with my Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease brush. Dab the excess product off, and then starting from my crease to bring it up towards my eyebrow. Just right in the crease, back and forth, and then with the rest product up towards the eyebrow. I also use that shade a little bit under my lower lash line, and I apply it with the same brush. Because the colors that I'm going into are pretty dark, I want to go slowly darker to make the blending nicer and easier. So next I'm going to pick up this shade here. It's called, it's called Puder, I think. Well, anyways, I'm going to use also the 228 Luxe Crease brush, pick some of that product up, tap the excess product off, and then go in the same spot from my crease upwards to my eyebrow. And I also apply some of it under my lower lash line again. Okay, and we're going a little bit darker. Going to use this shade here. It's called Chip. We can still work with a fluffy blending brush like the 228 Luxe Crease brush. Pick some product off, tap the excess product off, and it's really important to do that because the pigment is so loose. And then go again into the crease. And then just blend it up. It's important that you start with the most product you have right here in the crease until there's almost no more product on the brush, and then start blending up. Otherwise, it might turn out really patchy or it's really hard for you to blend. Okay, so as my next step, I'm going to use actually a Morphe concealer brush. It's the M421, and I'm going to pick up that same color Chip, but with the concealer brush, and then make sure that you tap off the excess product really good. And so now I'm going to apply this color on my movable lid, but I'll make sure that I stop in the crease. So I'll start here, and I'm more going to tap it on than actually to like wipe it on, because this might make the product fall off really bad. And I stop right here in the crease. And I apply this in the inner corner. I'm going to pick up some more product, and then on the outer corner. And then bring it to the middle part here. And then I go back to my 228 Luxe Crease brush, pick up the same shade, tap excess product off, and then make sure that the movable lid and everything over it is blended nice. Okay. So now we're going really crazy. We're going to pick up this purple shade here called Royalty. So now is the tricky part where the last time I tried to do this had purple all over my face. So to prevent that, what you will need is going to be a Kleenex. You fold it in half, and then I use again a Morphe M421 concealer brush. I pick up some of that product, and when I have it on my brush, I tap the excess product off as far as there is some. And now I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and spray it on the product I picked up. And now what you need to do is you take the Kleenex, you put it under your eye and hold it with those two fingers. You start taking that shade and putting it on the inner corner of your eye, and you end right in the crease. And then we just kind of tap it towards the middle. Okay, pick up some more product, spray it. So now when you put the Kleenex back on your face, make sure you use the side that you had on your face earlier, or if you take it the wrong way around, you'll have all that product right in your face. And then you apply it on the outer corner. And we again stop in the crease. Then kind of bring it towards the middle. So next, I'm going to use a little more pressed blending brush. That would be the 231 Luxe Petite Crease Brush from Zoeva. And I'm going to pick up some of this shade here. It's called Soda Pop. And now it's very important that you have your Kleenex. put your Kleenex back, pick up some of the product, tap off the excess product, and now blend the shade from the crease upwards. If you feel you have too much product on your brush, you can just take a Kleenex and kind of wipe this off. And then I'm just going to take a fresh Kleenex and then blend this color into your transition shades. So I'm going to pick up some more of that shade. Now you're going to hold the Kleenex a little lower and make sure you hold the end and the beginning, and then put some of it under my lower lash line. So with the concealer brush I used for the purple royalty, I'm going to pick up some more of that and just put it over the outer corner and then the inner corner of my eye. And then with the rest product on my concealer brush, I'm just going to blend it here a little towards the middle. Our final eyeshadow color is going to be that shade Faint. For this shade, I'm using the 232 Luxe Classic Shader Brush from Zoeva. I'm going to pick up some of that product. And here again, I'm going to spray it with my Morphe setting spray. And then in the beginning, I'll just dab it kind of off on my hand so that I don't have too much pigment on it. And then I'll just go over the middle of my movable lid. And first I apply it in the middle, and then I take the other side that's a little more clean, and then I just kind of blend the edges of that. And then I also apply it in to the middle of my lower lash line and just kind of blend it. Next, I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm going to use the Maybelline New York, the Collossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara. Just going to apply it from the roots all the way to the top. And I apply it on my upper lashes and my lower lashes. For lashes, I'm going with my Arison lashes. I hope they don't fall out because I used them already, so they don't stick that good anymore to the package. So I'm just going to apply some glue and then apply those lashes. So I already applied my glue on my lash. And now we're just going to put this lash on. I always put it on first in the middle and then on the outer corner and the inner corner. And then what I do a lot of times is I just press the fake lash together with my natural lashes. While my lashes are drying, I'm going to take my Rimmel London waterproof Kohl Kajal stick in shade 5 Nude, and I'm going to apply this on my waterline. So as my final step, I'm going to apply my NYX Liquid Suede cream lipstick, and this is in shade LSCL04. I love this lipstick. It's like it feels so soft on your lips, and it's super easy to apply. And this is the final look. No purple in my face this time. I really like how this makes my eye color, like this purple makes brown eyes really pop out. So yeah, I really like this. So about the palette in general, I really love the colors in this Jaclyn Hill palette. The only thing is that they're super powdery and the pigment falls down really easily. So what I would tell you to do is either do your eye makeup before you actually apply your foundation, or really have a Kleenex with you and hold it under your eye while you're applying to not mess up your foundation. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you'll try this on yourself. It is not super easy for a beginner, I would say, but if you practice and if you take your time, you can do this too, totally. If this worked out for you, leave me a comment below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye!